Good morning everyone. It's your maths class. Unit number 3. Already I explained number system with definition. Then already I explained 3 examples. Now today we start exercise 3A. Question number 1. Convert each of the following decimal numbers into the number system given in the bracket. Okay. Now I will solve A, B, C, 3 parts. Remaining 3 parts D, E, F. It's your home task. Is it clear? Now first part 165 base 8. Okay, in the bracket base 8 is given. So we convert into base 8 system. In base 8 system we use table of 8. 165, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2s are 16, 0. Okay, in rough work just we check it. 28s are or 8 20s are. Both are same. 8 zeros are 0, 8 2s are 16. 8 20s are 1. Okay, so now we check in rough column. 8 20s are 160, it's 165 minus 5 is left. 8 20s are 160, 5 is left. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2s are 16, 4 is left. Okay, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 is left. So 2, 4, 5 would be the answer of 165 in base 2 system. 165 equal to 245 base 8 system. Okay, 165 already given. Now the next part, second one, part B, 2317. 2317 convert into base 5 system. Okay, in the bracket base is given, so same convert into base 5 system, convert into base 8 system. Two, 3, 1, 7. Base 5, so we use table of 5. 5 4s are 20. 3 is left. Okay, it's 31. 5 6s are 30. 1 is left. 5 3s are 15. 2 is left. Clear first step? 5 9s are 45. 46 minus 45, 1 is left. Now the next number become 13. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 is a bigger number. So we will take 5 2s are 10. 13 minus 10, 3 is left. Second step finished. 5 1s are 5. 9 minus 5, 4 is left. Okay, now the next number become 42. 5 8s are 42 is left. Now 5 3s are 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 is left. 3 3 2 3 2 would be the answer of second part. Okay, this last step, it's a less than 5. So this step, last step, 3 3 2 3 2 would be the answer of second part or 2317. 2317 question is given in base 10 system. Okay, in decimal system. 3322 base 5. This part converted into base 5 system. So we put base 5. First one base 8 system. That's why we put base 8. Question is given base 10 system. Decimal. Okay, decimal convert into different bases. Okay, bases are given in the bracket. Done first and second part. Third part 842 convert into base 2 system. Okay, in base 2 system we use table of 2. Eight 42. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 0 is left. Now again we use 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 10s are 20, 21 minus 20, 1 is left. 2 10s are 20. Okay, now I explain this part. 2 1s are 2. Now after 2 we use 2 digit 1 and 0. When we use after first digit, when we use 2 digit at a time, so we put 0. Clear? Same method we apply in this method, LCM, divide, square root also. Clear? 2 1s are 2. First digit we use. Now after first digit 1 0 10, it's 2 digit. We use at a time 2 digit, so that's why we put 0 over here. Clear? Then 2 5s are 10. It means 2 multiplied by 105 is equal to 210. Okay, now we verified. 105 multiplied by 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 1, 2 zeros are 0, 1 as it is copied, 2 1s are 2. Correct? 105 multiplied by 2, 210 answer. 0 is left. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 is left. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 0 is left. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0 is left. 2 6 are 12, 1 is left. 2 3s are 6, 0 is left. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 0 is left. Now continue it. Same step, 3 0. Okay, so don't write this one. This 0 in the answer. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. So answer 1 1 0, 1 0 0, 1 0 1 0. 842 base 10 is equal to 1 1 0. Okay, this step we write twice a time. Clear? That's why don't write this 0. Okay, 1 1 0, 1 double 0, 1 0 1 0 base 2. Correct answer? Any question? Okay, then first, second, third. Part A, B, C, 3 part done. Now remaining 3 parts, part D, E, F. It's your home task. Complete at home. Thank you.